Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to replace the mud guard. You can see the condition of this mud guard. Yeah, there is lot of jugar. So we are going to replace the mud guard of this Honda Activa. Plus there is problem in this fork. This fork met with one accident and it is bent. So whenever I am riding this Activa, I'm feeling like handle is tilting left side, so it is very difficult and dangerous to ride this Activa. So actually the cost of new fork is around 3000, but I got a healthy fork from a scrap market, and just 600 or 700 you can get it from a scrap market. And if I have to reuse this fork in future, I have to correct the alignment, then this welding and jugar, I have to correct all this clamp portion. So because of lot of tension right now, I am not using the same fork. So I am going to replace the mudguard and fork of this Honda Activa, and the process will be same if you want to replace this type of mudguard. So for replacing this type of old mudguard, you have to remove the whole fork assembly, and in this video you will able to see the step-by-step process how we are replacing this fork and everything. So yeah, I'm going to remove this body portion, just simply all 1 2 3 4 bolts, and backside all the screws 1 2 3 4, same that side and one down. So you have to remove this body portion, so it will be easy for us. And this battery tray, and we also have to remove this headlight assembly. So the work will be very easy. 1 2 3 4 and 5, and here also we have to lose this bolt also, and here one last screw here. So all these things, fiber portion, this body portion, I am removing, and this is very easy thing. So no need to cover this portion. So I am removing everything here, and after that I will show you how I am removing the fork from this one. So let me open this whole portion first. So here I removed the body part, and this is the inner portion of this body. So now I can assess this 17 nut and bolt. The whole thing is for this nut and bolt. So here you can see I am using here impact driver, electrical impact driver. You can also use the wrench. Okay, so I am removing it. You can see here, yes, this nut is removed, and here this washer, and from other side I can remove the nut also. You can see the nut. Yeah, here is the nut. Yes, this whole assembly is outside. Okay, this whole assembly is outside, so we have to keep it safely. I removed the speedometer cable and all the brake cables, front wheel cable and rear wheel cable. You can see the bunch of cables here, so I removed all the cable here. Okay, so now I can remove this handle very easily. Yeah, you can see here I can remove this handle very easily. You can see these cables can come outside. Yes, you have to pull it. Yes, this cable can come, and yes, and this front brake cable, these cables can come outside, and this is for accelerator, which is not a major problem. you can lose it. Yeah, up to here it is okay. So I can remove the handle here. Yeah, you have to be careful. Yes, yeah, you can see how I removed the whole assembly here, and I am keeping it safely here. And for removing this big nut I am using 32 spanner. You can see here I am removing it. Yes, yeah, yeah, it is ready to come outside. Okay, so this one came outside. At present don't touch this one, just remove this nut, and after that we will go to the wheels. So now we have to remove this axle, so we have to remove this 19 bolt here. So I am using here 19 socket. Yes, it came outside, but at present don't remove the axle. Now we have to remove this link nut, but it is rusted, both sides it is badly rusted. So we have to put some penetrating spray. Okay, so again be careful. Now we can remove the axle here. Yeah, it is not coming outside, so we have to hit from other side. Yeah, now it can come outside. Yeah, this axle came, and when the axle will come outside, this whole wheel assembly is ready to come outside. So this whole wheel assembly is ready to come outside, and you can take the whole assembly outside, and you can see the condition of this fork. It is very dirty. Now we have to remove this nut and bolt, link nut and bolt. You can see how this link came outside. You can see here. Yeah, and this is also defective, so we have to replace this inner bush, and that topic I covered many times. Okay, so I'm not covering this topic in this video. This is another topic. Similarly, we'll remove the other link here. Okay, so everything we removed from this fork except this race. Why I'm telling this race, you will see when I will remove it. So when we will remove this race, the whole fork assembly will come outside. So I am using here a monkey plier to remove this race. You can see here how this monkey plier is perfect for this work. Okay, and if you want to buy this tool, I will give you link in the description. You can purchase from there. And if you are planning to change the bearing, constant bearing of this fork, then no need to worry about the falling balls from this fork assembly. Otherwise, if your bearing assembly is new, you have to collect the balls. You have to put some magnet here so that it will able to catch the falling balls. But here I have to replace the bearings also, so I am not worried about the balls. So this spark is coming outside slowly. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, yeah. Now this whole fork assembly will come outside. You can see the old worn out steel balls here. We have to put new ball bearings here. Okay, we will remove the race, and this is also a part of race. This is inner race, this is outer race. Okay, you can see here the whole fork assembly came outside, and here also there are steel balls which we have to put new. Okay, and here is the cable. Okay, so this whole assembly is ready to come outside. I am removing it from here. You can see here I am removing it from here. Yes, this whole assembly will come outside. Yeah, this whole assembly came outside. Here you can see the whole fork assembly came outside. Okay, so here I installed the whole assembly, like all the body parts, and you can see this scooter after installing the new fork. So in this way you can install new fork in your scooter. And this fork is sometimes means very irritating, because if you have some accident it will bend, and at that time you will feel some discomfort in handling the scooter. So if you have similar issue in your scooter, you can rectify this problem by yourself by seeing this video. Please like this video, share it among your friends and family. Please subscribe this channel. And at last, thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.